I decided to sell also my Fujifilm X-T5 and I want to share with you why and what are my impressions after selling X-T5. Do I miss it or not? Let's talk about this now. Hi there, Tudor Matescu here. In this video, I want to share with you why I've sold my X-T5. Well, I've put my eyes on a Leica Q3 and this was one of the reasons. And one of my best reasons, of course, is that I have Fujifilm X-T50. So I was thinking, should I sell or should I not sell my X-T5? Because from the moment that I've bought X-T50, I didn't took with me any more X-T5. It was sitting here on the table and I was always putting my hand on X-T50. The X-T50 is doing a great job. It also has a flash that is helping me for family pictures and for times when I need flash. X-T5 doesn't have this. The next reason is that X-T50, it is, how I've said, light, and this means X-T50, it's working great also with bigger lenses but also with smaller lenses, and my bag was very easy and light to carry. And I was very thrilled to have a light bag on me. Yes, on the streets and also in doing photography, I was missing the ergonomics from X-T5. So now after the time passed by, yes, I'm feeling I'm missing the ergonomics of X-T5. That big bright EVF, that tilt screen that was flipping like this. I'm not missing the weather sealing, I don't need it for the moment, but I'm missing the ergonomics, the extra FN buttons. I had here an FN button that was helping me to activate IAF. I've put here another AF button for IAF, but more than that, again, X-T5 much better ergonomics, I would say, than X-T50. The only downside, of course, it was that it was a bigger camera and heavier. Now, regarding battery life, I'm not missing the battery life of X-T5 at all, because the battery life of X-T50, it is very good. So I'm not missing battery life. I don't have problems with the battery life of X-T50 at all. Regarding AF speed and AF accuracy, I'm feeling that I'm still there or even better with X-T50. So regarding speed and accuracy, I'm still there. Also, I'm missing the sound of the silent mechanical shutter of X-T5. It was almost as a leaf shutter. So yes, the mechanical shutter of X-T5, it is a great mechanical shutter, but also the mechanical shutter of X-T50, it is very good because it is more silent than X-T30 Mark II, and also compared to X-T30 Mark II, you can put this camera in electronic first curtain. So the shutter will be very silent regarding the mechanical shutter that will fire just once, just a curtain. So overall, X-T50 is doing exactly what X-T5 is doing, but with other ergonomics, and especially in hand. Now, even if I like small cameras, when it comes to work, let's say to make product photography, in my case especially, I really preferred X-T5. It was easy for me to keep the camera steady, to keep the camera in the hand, and to make pictures. So when I did some product photography, I felt the need to install my small rig grip on X-T50 because, again, it's nice to have a better grip. But on the street, yes, I do prioritize lightness and compactness. But when I'm working, yes, a good grip and a camera that has some weight to it, I feel it's better suited. But more than that, X-T50 with this grip and even with a big Fujifilm lens, it will not be as heavy and as chunky as X-T5. So overall, yes, I'm winning at weight and size and even ergonomics with X-T50, but I'm missing the buttons and the more wide body of X-T5. Now talking about Fujifilm bodies, I feel that the best balanced body that Fujifilm made or that I've used and that I like, it is the X Pro 3 body. The weight, size and how wide it is, I think it is really great. And all the lenses are balancing really great and amazing on X Pro 3. And it's not the first time that I'm saying this. After years and years, I'm coming back to X Pro 3 as my best Fujifilm body to balance different lenses, small and big lenses. So yes, even if I sold my X-T5, I do feel that I'm not regretting it too much because I do think that there is a better body, and that body it is Fujifilm X Pro 3. Yes, X Pro 3 doesn't have a tilt screen and it has this screen that it's broken in time, but I do hope that in the future, probably in 2025, Fujifilm will release X Pro 4 or X Pro 5 with a normal tilt screen, so we will not have this screen that it's broken on us, and I will finally be able to have a bigger camera with a body that I really love. So even if X-T5 it's great regarding ergonomics, it wasn't great for me, especially for street photography. Yes, for working in studio, for doing event photography, and when you want a tougher body, X-T5 it is good, but X Pro 3 body form, at least, it is a much better form for me. Of course, Fujifilm also has Fujifilm X-H2 and X-H2S that have the grip and the body, it is bigger and it will balance better with bigger lenses, but also with extra added weights. So from all these Fujifilm bodies, the most that I like regarding ergonomics and how it's balancing with the lenses, it is the Fujifilm X Pro 3, followed by X-T50 with the compromises regarding buttons and layouts, and after this X-T5, because again, X-T5 was great and it's great, but that extra weight, I didn't love it. Probably if X-T5 would have used the older battery and to keep the camera even lighter, then there will be another discussion. But till then, I think I will go with X-T50 with the smaller rig and with X Pro 3 depending on the lenses that I want to use. So in conclusion, do I regret selling X-T5? Yes and no. It is a great camera, an amazing camera, but in real world use, after buying X-T50, yes, X-T50, it is one of my #1 choices. So definitely X-T5, it would have it dust on my table because I prefer smaller cameras from Fujifilm, like X-T50, like X106, and like Fujifilm X Pro 3. So I'm waiting for Fujifilm X Pro 5 and why not X-T6? Till we wait for Fujifilm X Pro 5 or Fujifilm X-T6, why not? Please subscribe now to my channel, subscribe to my newsletter, and please be sure to check my next videos. Thank you and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.